Everyone, welcome to this session number 371, and today we're going to deal with this problem. Is design search to complete system, and okay, and it's a hard problem, yeah. And the idea behind this verbose description, because it's too long, basically is that you have these words, and no, sorry, is this. You have these words, and for example, I love you was writing 5 times. Iceland uh, was writing, no, was wrote, yeah, I think. Well, 3 times. The how many appear Iron Man 2 times. How many appears I love leetcode appear 2 times. Yeah, and having this frequency, basically you need to get the 3 more frequencies or higher frequencies with an specific rules. The first that is obviously the greater value is the first, but in the case that appear 2 or more values that have the same frequency, for example, like 5, 3, 3, 3, 3. Do you imagine this? Yeah. In this case, for example, this is okay because have the greater and it's all. But for this, who know which word or which text should be added in this list, because it's the maximum of the element is 3, the minimum is I think that 0. But in this case, how decide what is the word or what is the text that should be exist in this greater text, yeah, or in this case is hot text, no, is hot sentence. In this case is using the this the ASCII code order. The smaller word appear first. Yeah. Okay. Now having this, and obviously in the final, when the user execute this, you need to. It's basically for create a prefix and return the element that have this prefix. Yeah. And yesterday I did this. It works only with one, but not with the second. And I need to discover why. In this case, I am returning this. I love you. I love you. I. It's strange because. Let me check what is happening here. I go to the mirror because I think that the approach to this is okay, but why here it doesn't appear? But well, let me check. Okay, yesterday I wrote this, right? Increase the size. Okay, it's too much. Okay, I think that it's enough with this. Now, I was trying to play music, but this Google Home is a shit. Whatever. Well, in this case, the idea with this is that okay, the first is I love you, Iceland, I don't mind, I love leetcode, and this is the. It's not the same. Oh no, it's different. Uh-huh. And in this case, for example, we need to take the hot sentence. In this case is I love you. In this order. The next that is Iceland. And the next that is between Iron Man and I love leetcode. In this case is I love leetcode. Iceland. Uh-huh. Now in this case, basically this is our hot sentence. Now the next that is okay, this is done. Not okay. The first is I. How many or which strings of this hot sentence start with I? 1, 2, 3. Well, in this case, the 3. Yeah. Now the next that is a space. Yeah. This is okay, and this is okay, and this is discard. Yeah. In this case, is 2. Now the next that is this that should be represent. Okay, got it. I know what is happening here. When happen this, basically we need to reset the string builder. Yeah. Is be string. What is happening? String builder. What? It's the same. Is B. What? What is error? Cannot find the autocomplete. Is B string builder. Why? You know what? String builder. I remember that have the clear. Set length 0. This is for reset. Now reset again, and is I A. Why you put I love leetcode here? Here indicates that the return an empty array if the user press this character and store the input sentence in the system. I'm not sure if I need to save and store the input sentence in the system. I think that all the time I need to recalculate this. Yeah, because in this case, yeah, I think that I need to calculate this because in this case, what is here? I love it code is not appear. Basically, is I love it code. For example, this text never appear here, and it's not appear. Yeah, got it. I think that I need to call again the first function, but only for explain what is happening here. Basically, that when you forget all of this, it's not important this moment. But when you write, for example, this, okay, you start with the prefix. Okay, the next is an space, the next is a letter A, and the next is this. When happen this, basically we need to take this and save in the hash map, yeah? And in this hash map, I need to recalculate again if this is converted as a new hot sentence, yeah? For this reason, this string appear here. Yeah, I think that I need to recalculate this. Yeah, I think that I can create this here. Yeah, here we need to recalculate this. The hot sentence and save the current prefix in this sentence. But in this case, I need to add in the map in calculus. No, I need to yeah, I need to call this autocomplete system function again, but in this case, for example, sentence this dot sentence is equal come on, sentence this times it's equal times, yeah, basically putting the value in here. I need to declare sorry, and string new sentence it's equal new string, and the size in this case is sentence dot length plus 1 because it's a new element, yeah, and it's the same with the other, with the times. In this case is integer. Times new times, yeah. Okay, now in new sentence in the position, basically this, it's equal, that is the last, is equal to is b to string, and new times in the position times dot length. It doesn't matter because both arrays have the same length. It's equal 1 because it's only 1 in this moment. For example, if I have I love leetcode and I say with 1, and in the next appear again I love leetcode, should we have 2, no only 1? No, this is wrong. Yeah, it's wrong because, yeah, if I have, for example, Iceland, I wrote Iceland with this function, the input, and save. Okay, Iceland have 1, and next to appear again Iceland, and I save again, means that we have 2 Iceland, not only 1. I think I need to use another thing here. Let me remove this. Okay, this is for initialize. I need to apply the abstraction over this function to calculate these elements. Yeah. Because, for example, here each test sentence will be each test will have then the word in each input sentence are separated by at most 5,000 calls will be made to input. But even with this code is wrong if I change this. Let me show you. Okay, here, and for example, I have Iron Man here, and I run. Okay, let me modify. In this case, Iron Man appear 4 times. Yeah, because in this case I am comparing with the number of times, not with the value. For example, if I have Iron Man 3 times but with different frequency, I think that we need to add this frequency. Yeah, for example, if Iron Man appeared 3 and next to appear Iron Man 2 and next to and the last appear 2, Iron Man appear in this case 3, 5, 7 times. Yeah, no 3 times, 2 times, 2 times, no, it's 7. I think that I need to start again. Yeah, okay. I need a function that return, yeah, let me write here, private is a function that return the hot sentence. It doesn't matter how many, 0, 1, or 2. No, sorry, 0, 1, 2, or 3. Yeah. In this case, is this list get hot sentence, and this receive. Well, the map is global. No, I need to convert this as a global. Yeah, but in this case we need a map that's saved by the text and not by the frequency. Yeah, in this case, for example, do you imagine that this string and integer? Yeah, sorry. In this, do you imagine that this is completely filled with a value? Come on. Previously filled, and now it's basically we have the text and the value. Who calculates the greater frequency? I think that is getting the frequency sorted. Getting the frequency, for example, if I get the frequency of this hash map, obviously is with any order, or even I think that we can use the hash map tree. Let me check. Yeah, but in which order? Here I need save. Yeah, but in this case it's only one value. Yeah, in this case, for example, we have the text I love leetcode and the frequency, in this case 3. Do you imagine that getting the only the values of the hash map? That means that the frequency we have in any order like this. Yeah, now we need to sort 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and next to is okay. I need the last 3 elements. Do you imagine that this is 2 like this? Okay, we need the 5. It's okay because it's a single. We need a 4. It's okay because it's a single. But here I have 2 elements with the 2 and 2. how I resolve here. I think that we can move this, convert this hash map now in the changing. For example, now the integer is the key and the hash map in the key is the value. I don't want this, but changing this, basically I can reuse all this code. Yeah, I think that is this. Now here is basically this reverse map, and here, for example, a 4 transversal map. It's with the one, yeah. Entry set for entry. No. Java. Always I forget this. Yeah, map.entry. In this case, the entry is string and integer. Entry it's equal map dot get entry. No, it's entry set. It's confusing this. Entry set. Yeah, and basically here I need to ask if map if map no, I need to create another map like no this is a global. If map no, if reverse map, yeah, if reverse map contains key, in this case the key is basically the entry dot value. I'm not sure if it's value or get value. Yeah, get value. If this doesn't exist, reverse map can create a new array list of a string. Yeah, and now here be sure that exists is basically map.get this dot add, and here is entry dot get key. Okay, and now I think that basically is oh my okay, here. Okay, the first point is that this should be exist here as a global and only initialize here. Now the next step is fill this this map, but in this case this is wrong because I should be have two maps. The first is sorted or having as a key the frequency, and the other is having as a text, no, having as a key the text. Yeah, in this case is string, this integer, and you know what, map by frequency, and here is map by text. Yeah, and here I need to fill the map by for integer I is equal 0, meanwhile I it means not that sentence length I plus plus, and is my map by text if map contains key, the key is sentence in the position I but negative, map to put this. No, in this case this is not necessary. It's only map dot put. In this case is a sentence and get the default. Yeah, get or default sentence, and the default is 0 plus 1. In this case 0, and if return a pre-existing value or 0 is plus 1. In this case we have the mapping. Got it. Now having this no, it's not plus 1, is plus times in the position I. It's so verbose, this problem. I am starting to hating this problem. Yeah, completely. Yeah, me too, because it's many time to read this and understand what is exactly the point of this problem. It's not hard, very hard. I think that is at least medium, but it's verbose. But well, in this case, for example, I am transversal the sentence, putting or mapping all the values by the sentence, yeah, because can repeat. And okay, now having this, I can call the function, name it get hot sentence, yeah, and this basically return the well, basically is this words that is the frequency words, and is this. Now this code, I will move to the another function. Yeah, this is only for mapping, and my map by frequency. And here obviously I need to map. One moment. I need to save here. Okay. And now is this and I need mapping the. I think that I can use the same the same for, because both have the same length, but in this case it's only a little different because we need initialize if by frequency. Contains key times in the position I. Okay, I think that is this, and now mapped by frequency contains the times this. If it's not contained, sorry, mat.put, and is the times in the position I, and new array list. I am thinking in the case, in this case where it's repeating the words. For example, Iceland appeared 3 times and Iceland appeared 2 times. What is this? Is frequency. Well, I think that the only thing that maybe I have records with any value, only created but empty. Yeah, I think that it's okay. Don't happen nothing. But in this case is map frequency get. No. Now first is mapping by the, yeah, this is wrong. First is mapping by the the frequency, and next to is fill this map by frequency using this map. Yeah, but I think that I am doing here. Yeah, here if I have the map, in this case is wrong. It's map by text. Map am making by frequency, and now having this I can use this code. Yeah, basically this. The first is this 4. No, this is. Okay, yeah. Here I need to get the frequencies of the map by text. These get values that I think that map.get values, or is only values. I don't remember. The hash map it's a little values. Yeah, and I can save even a string in an array, sorry. Values, but what is the result? What is the type? Values, map values. Well, integer values it's equal this. Even I can change 2 times and use this for sort. And now is do this. What? What is the max size? What the hell is max size? The max size is the list. I need a list. Here. Yeah, this is temporal. Max. If max size is mirrored at this, add. But here I need to. I am getting this, and now the next step is getting the max frequency. In this case, should we have only 3 at most 3? I think that it's necessary one. Now having these numbers, for example, 1, 2, and 3. No, in this case it's in the positive. 3, 2, and 2, for example. Now okay. Oh, no. Now the next step is this. Sort the values. Come on. Well. Okay, in this case we have this. Now the max is this. Map.get n is the frequency. In this case we need to the map by frequency. map by frequency, get n, that is the frequency, and now is result, and now I think that is only this. But why I am removing this? I'm not sure of this, but this is done. Result dot get 0. I am sorting the elements, and now we have the result sort. Why is 0? I think that here, because result in this moment are sort. No, and even it's here, it's inside the 4, sorry. This. I am transversing the max, that is a frequency. I get this frequency of the map by frequency, basic, and now is sort the result, and I need to get the first and remove the first of the map by frequency. Is temporal? Yeah, I think that I can remove. This is because if the next is with the same frequency, I need return the first, and if in any moment we don't remove the first, basically all the time is the same. Yeah, and yeah, I think that it's enough with this, and here is return. Words. Here is words. I will remove of this. No, let me change this for result. No, result, no. List. List. And instead max is list. And let me, here is list. List. No, it's not list. Here I need another, but this is the result. But I changed to list, and it's only here. Entry set. Expected. Is double point, no equal. what is next? Here. Here. Integer. Map, in this case map doesn't exist. It should be removed. Is this integer. Cannot find the symbol. Reverse. Yeah, sure. Reverse map. Reverse. What else? I think that it's all. Incompatible time. Did return a collection. Let me check. Map.values into a int. Oh, in this way, to array. But this should be as an object. I need to force the parsing. Map values. Yeah, is this? Cannot cast the integer. Well, I will do in the traditional way. Transversal the map like this. Yeah. Integer times it's equal new int. The size is basically the size of the map.text size. For integer n double point this times in the position integer I is equal 0, I plus plus it's equal n. That's it. Incompatible. An integer string is an array. Why? Because it's the click here. Index. For the reason I don't like these kind of problems that have many code, because it's easily have this duplicate in the code. But even is wrong. Iron Man, I love you in Iceland. And yeah, here when it's for this, where appear this symbol, I need to save in map dot, no, is map by text, dot get, no, put, no, map dot put, is be to string, and map is not map, is map by text, is be map dot get or default is be to string or 0 plus 1, and here we need recalculate, and is get hot sentence, and in this case words it's equal this, map by text get or default is be to string, method string, is to string, damn, it's not saving the value. Do you see this? I is not in the, but why when it's n, there, is for this. Okay, now let me check. Okay, now it's appearing the this text, but what is wrong? I love leetcode in this. Well, I think that I will check in the next transmission, but I think that I am close to the solution. But well, thanks for following this transmission, and I hope see you in the next. Bye bye.